What's going on YouTube? SRT Dad. Today, we finally have a 7th gen SRT8 6.4 on the channel. So let's go ahead, let's meet the driver, let's see what this thing's all about. Let's go. Okay guys, so this feature is going to be a little bit different today. We have a follower that just started his own channel called Blackout SRT, and you're not going to see him in the video. He's a ghost. So when he starts his channel, you're not even going to see his face. He's going to be a faceless YouTuber. All right, but this is his car. He wanted to show off his car today. It's a 2014 Charger SRT8 6.4 HEMI. Check out the inside real quick. Check this out. Yep, sunroof and everything. These SRT8s come fully loaded. This thing's all blacked out. It's got, looks like it has some Hellcat wheels. We got some 275 40/20 tires. Looks like they're all around, it looks like. Oh, 245s up front, 275s in the back. Sweet. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Check this thing out. 6.4 HEMI. Freaking sweet. Let's go ahead. Let's start this baby up. Oh yeah. Sweet. 89,000 miles. 89,000 miles. So low mileage. 2014. Hear that exhaust. Freaking sweet. Oh yeah. There it is. Yeah. Woo. She sounds good. She sounds good. All right, so these 2014 Charger SRT8s are packing just a tad under 500 horses. Okay, I believe 475. The newer scats got 485. I could be wrong. I'll put the correct stats on the screen. But this one's completely stock. No engine modifications whatsoever. The owner does have plans in the future. Let's go ahead, let's see how this, let's go on a little cruise and let's get some shots of this thing and let's see what it's all about. Let's do it. SRT8s, both of them. These cars are no jokes. If you're watching this, this is your sign to buy a Charger SRT8, whether it be in a 6th gen or 7th gen SRT8. Woo! Both these things are beasts. What you guys think about the 2014 SRT8 though? I can't decide which one has a better body style. I would probably say that 14's has a little bit more aggressive, but the front end of the 6th gens, I still think are unmatched. Check these cars out, guys. Let's check out the behind of these things. Let's check out the behinds of both of them. Check out the behinds of these things. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, what you guys think? This SRT8's pretty quick, right? All right, so I just want to thank my guy, Blacked Out SRT, for meeting me today. I appreciate you showing me a ride, man. I really like it. I still aspire. I have aspirations to get a 7th gen SRT8. I just have a thing for them. And hopefully maybe one day I can get one in the future to pair with my 6th gen SRT8. But if you guys like this content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm SRT Dad. These are two badass SRT8. And I'm out. Oh yeah.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 but even that could change. You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game.